Software Spring. Presents. How to use count in Google Sheets. Hello and welcome to this video on how to use the count formula in Google Sheets. Let me access Sheets through Chrome. Another way to launch Google Sheets is by typing this URL in the address bar of any browser. First, double-click the Google Chrome desktop icon. Click the Apps button. Click Sheets. Sign into your Google account. I will open this spreadsheet, which I have titled Count. Okay, this is the sample spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is a stock list of stationery items. Use the count formula if you want to count numeric values in a dataset. The count formula can be helpful in such tasks as inventory management. Alright, let's look at the format of the count formula. The equal to symbol. The name of the formula, which is count. The opening parenthesis. The first value, or a range. The optional second, third, and other values, or ranges. The closing parenthesis. Alright, here is an objective for using the count formula. Objective: to count the number of stationery items available. Okay, I want the result of the count formula to display in this cell. So, I will type the count formula here. First, type the equal to symbol. Next, type count. Type the opening parenthesis. Specify the first range. First, click cell B3. Now, shift-click cell B11. I will not enter the second range, for now. So, I will press enter. Here it is. Google Sheets has displayed the count of numeric data in the given range. Say, this company has another branch. And we want to count the number of stationery items available at both the branches. For this task, we will have to specify the second range in the count formula. I want to store the result of the count formula in this cell. Let me enter the formula in this cell. I will specify the first range. Type comma. Now, I will specify the second range. Press enter. There you go. Google Sheets has given the count of numeric data in the two ranges. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.